Welcome. To install Microsoft Clarity on your website for web analytics and user behavior data, create an account and log in, and you'll eventually be brought to this screen where you'll create a Clarity project. For the website here, type in your website name, input your URL, and click on Add New Project. You can either install it with a tag manager, or you can install the code by pasting it in your HTML manually. We'll go through both methods so you can pick whichever is easiest for you. If you want to install with instructions using another platform, you can take a look at the platforms they have and just follow the instructions that they provide. If you want to install Clarity with Google Tag Manager right from the Clarity portal, click on Connect Now, but you'll have to give Clarity access to your Google Tag Manager account. Then you can follow the instructions there. To install Clarity right from Google Tag Manager, create a Google Tag Manager account. If you want to see how to do that, click the link on the screen or the link in the description. When you have your Google Tag Manager account set up, create a new tag. So we'll click on the new button here, and we'll call this Microsoft Clarity tag. Click on the tag configuration area, click on Discover More Tag Types. Search for Clarity, and then choose this Microsoft Clarity Official by Microsoft. If you're okay with adding this to your Google Tag Manager workspace, then proceed to do so, and then go find your Clarity project ID. Your Clarity project ID is in your URL. So go back to Microsoft Clarity, and in the URL after view and /, that's your project ID. So copy that and paste it in the project ID here. And then click in the triggering area to add a trigger, and we'll add one for all pages. And click Save. Another way you can install Clarity with Google Tag Manager is with a custom HTML tag. Go back to Clarity, go back to the main installation page, get the tracking code to install manually, copy to clipboard. In Google Tag Manager, click on New for a new tag. We'll call this HTML Microsoft Clarity tag. Click in Tag Configuration, select Custom HTML. Paste your custom HTML code, click in the triggering section, select all pages, save it, then preview the code, test it to make sure that the tag fires. Grab our URL to input in this field here, leave this checkbox marked, click on Connect, wait for the page to load, and connect to Tag Assistant. Go back to the Tag Assistant tab, click Continue, and we see that our Microsoft Clarity tags have fired, both of them. But you only need one, don't install both. So use whichever method you want to go with, and then click on Submit to publish the container with your new Microsoft Clarity tag. Give the version, the container version, a name, and click on Publish. To install the code directly in your HTML or in your content management system, your CMS, copy the code, then find where you can inject the code into the HTML. In your HTML, find the head tag. Here's our head tag on line 4. You can use the Control F or the find function and paste it within the head tag. We're going to insert a comment to indicate what this code snippet is, and then paste our code. Once you publish the code update, Microsoft Clarity says it can take up to 2 hours before you start seeing data. If you want more content on working with digital marketing, audience, customer, or user data, subscribe to the channel.